and welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Adopt Me with my best friend Alexa and her little brother Daniel. So, Adopt Me has a really good update now, so they just added it in today, I think, and it's staying till Monday. So all bucks for pets needs and babies needs are 2 times the bucks, and aging pets is 2 times easier. Oh well, it's sorry, I just had a hiccup. 2 times faster. Anyways, guys, so that's why you can see that I'm a baby. So Alexa's about to teleport to me now. Yeah, there she is. Hey, Lexi.
Hi. Okay, I'm gonna. I have the thing steak, guys.
Oh yeah.
Cool, actually. I like the pet.
Yeah. Oh, but Lexi, could you help me work on the beaver? Remember?
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Oh, okay. And I'm gonna go. And if you want to come with me, I'm gonna make my dog Neon now.
Okay, wait. What house is this? I haven't
The Finley home.
You changed the wallpaper?
No, that's how my wallpaper always was for my family home. Oh, the gift display house is open, Alexa. I'm putting it there. You can put your house in the campground, okay?
Yes, please.
Oh, move house here. Okay, hurry. Lock door. Oh, I'm gonna invite you to my family in a second, so just go get the house, okay?
Okay. What house?
I remember when you wanted the house that you wanted to get at the campground.
Oh, I just can't find that. Sorry, wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, go get that house now if you want to get it. Wait, did you just decline again?
I accident.
Okay, just go get the house and then I'll invite you because it's not working right now.
How long was the login day streak you have?
40 days.
What?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, my beaver is so thirsty. I'm gonna go get him something to drink. Let's unequip him and re-equip him. And I'm going to let him drink here, and I'm actually gonna get myself a drink from my fridge. If you guys are wondering how I did this, you're gonna get yourself just a regular fridge. You're gonna get the $300 water cooler if you have enough, and just put your fridge right inside of it, or put it right inside of your fridge. Now, whenever you're not editing, if someone comes into your house and they're like, "Do they have a water cooler?" They can look at the fridge and be like, "Oh my gosh, I can grab the water right from their fridge." And yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Oh, he's thirsty again. Excuse me, mister.
Oh, wait. And let's do it.
Hmm.
Wait, the water coolers are how much?
300. Yeah. Okay, so let's. Okay, let's go and make my dog Neon now. I'm so excited, guys, because this is gonna be my first ever Neon pet. And then my Alexa is helping me work on my Neon beaver. I have two full-grown beavers, and the beaver that I have out with me right now, which he's supposed to be, he's a teen. And then Alexa has my newborn beaver that she's gonna be working on whenever she can. So guys, okay, wait, okay. So, guys, her phone's about to die, so she's gonna call me right back, and then, yeah. So, I'm gonna wait for her until I make my pet Neon, because this is a pretty big moment, and I am so excited, but I want to do it with my bestie. I do not want to do it alone. Hello there, and welcome to my cave. This cave used to be a place, where animals would come visit to combine their spirits. They do this to strengthen their friendship. I'm not sure if the magic still works, but you can give it a try. Find 4 fully aged creatures and of the same kind and place them on the pedestal. Maybe your pets will become glowing and sacred after this. But do be warned. 4 pets go in, 1 come out, but they all share the same spirit. So guys, I actually didn't really want to do this at first because I'm like, I'd rather have, how many pets do I have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So I have 37 pets right now. So I was like, I'd rather have 37 than have 33 or 34, because then I would be basically minusing out 3 pets. Sorry guys, I missed the answer. Okay, Lexi, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's basically what I was saying. But then I'm like, you know what? A neon pet is really cool. So I kind of want that. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. So, Lexi, hurry and teleport to me so that I can make my dog Neon, because this is a moment that I do not want to spend not sharing it with you.
My dad's using the phone right now.
Oh, okay. Wait, are you still in the game?
No.
Oh. Okay, guys, well, Alexa, do you want me to wait for you, or do you want me to just make it Neon now?
No, you can go.
Okay, I am so excited. This is going to be a moment that I will cherish forever. And Nixie, you are here to watch me do it. Okay.
Dixie watches everyone do it.
Yeah, that's kind of creepy, but okay.
She watched me, and she was like staring like hello.
1. Oh, 2.
Did you do it?
I'm doing it. 3.
We need a blueberry after this.
Okay.
Neon dogs go blue, don't they?
4. I don't know. I'm checking.
Ew! Blueberry!
Wait. Oh, I got it. Yes, it is blue. Okay, dress up. Let's go there. What do we miss? Yeah, I have to go there like right now. Wait, I can. Wait, I have a blue hat, so I can use that. That's cute. Yeah. Okay, let's go check at the pet shop if they have any more. Yeah. I don't know. Let's go check. Wait, let me check if I have. Oh, I have a blue collar too, with the yellow.
You have what?
A blue collar with yellow on it.
Okay, let's go. Let me. Where's my
Shoes? I don't have any shoes. Okay, I'm gonna go to the pet shop and I'm gonna get some things, and I'm gonna first get something for me to eat because I am starving right now. I need to eat something. Oh, this tastes so good, this hot dog. And it has that perfect layer of mustard and ketchup on it. That was so good. Okay, let's go to school first because I need an education. So, yeah. I don't want to skip school. Skipping school is wrong. Make sure you guys don't skip school, guys.
or don't do things during the online learning.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to school now.
You guys have to know it's very hard. Everybody's the same thing.
Yeah. Ooh, let's see. Can Pet Trainer Shane make my neon dog anything? Oh, looks like my dog already knows every trick in the book. What? Yeah, wait. You should bring your neon cat here. Wait, where's my dog? Yeah, where did Blueberry go? Wait. Oh, that is the wrong dog. Where's my neon? Oh, my neon's at the top. Okay. Let me just put this in just to see what will it do. Yeah. Oh, guys, school's almost done and I can go. I'm so excited. And Lexi's almost done school too. Oh, there's Sparkle. I would trade you Blueberry for Sparkle though because I think Sparkle looks cuter. Okay, come on, school's over. Let's go. Oh wait, I'm tired first. I want to go to bed, and then oopsie, and then I want my beaver. I want Brownie to take a nap too because he was super tired before. And then I'm gonna equip Blueberry, and Blueberry is going to be in my favorite section because he is so cute and I love him. Oh, oopsie! I don't think Brownie was done sleeping. What? Okay, I'm going to the pet shop now. Teleport to the pet shop? Yes, I will. Alexa, you can teleport to me now. Oh, oopsie. Oh. Okay, let's look if there's anything really cute here for Blueberry. How about this blue tie? How much does it cost? Oh, 200, but I don't think that would look very... Oh! Oops, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah. Let's see. How would Blueberry look with this backpack? I don't know if it really suits him. I want him to have shoes, but there are no shoes here. What's this here? Oh, it's a book. It's cool. Oh, Let me just ask something. To Lexi. Why did you up our call? Oh, I get to choose a pin. Let's see which ones I have. I have the rainbow one, and I have two that one. Yes. Yeah? Okay, one sec, guys. I will be right back. Okay, guys. So sorry, her phone died. Okay. Could you get the other? There are no shoes here, guys. I can't believe this. I really wanted some shoes. Wait, what did she say? I will go. Wait, I'll go. I'll be right back, though. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm just looking around for something that Blueberry can wear for shoes because I don't have any shoes for him to wear. So I need shoes, but there's like no shoes at all. Oh, I want to see. How about if I zoom in all the way and then I stand up there? Nope. Guys, I need to get some Robux because I want to make Blueberry a flyable rideable. Okay, let's just go. Am I trapped? I don't know where I am. Oh, there. There we go. You back yet? I guess not. Ooh, I want to go look at this. Is that like a pirate ship? Oh my gosh, it is. I want to go pirate ship. I want to go at the top. That's the coolest part. Oh, I hope I have camping because camping is the best and it makes me so much money. But I'm too tired to go camping. I just want to sleep. Oh, sunshine. I'm gonna fly you because the funnest part of a pirate ship is this part. I guess Lexi's not back yet. Let's go look around. Can I discover any secrets here? Ooh, a rose that you can hide in. That's so cool. Can't believe that there's nothing here though. Nothing here for my precious Blueberry. Would this look good on Blueberry? I don't know. I need shoes. I'm gonna invite her too. I guess not. okay, it's okay. I guess we're gonna end off the video with Lexi AFK. But that's okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I